A thread can only be in one state at a given point of time. These states are virtual machine states which do not reflect any operating system thread states. So let us see how a thread goes into a particular state in order to complete its execution. Now we can see that the thread has been created. That is, the thread is in created state. It goes to the runnable state with the help of start method. Here, the thread is ready for the execution. It goes to the dead state or terminated state after the completion of execution with the help of run method. If not, it goes to the blocked state with the help of sleep or wait method. It waits for the other thread in order to complete its action. The notify method is used in order to get a notification to the thread which is waiting in the block state. When the notification is received by the thread, it goes back to the runnable state and completes its execution and gets terminated by going into the dead state. Let us see how does a thread run. The thread class has a run method. The run method is executed when the thread's start method is invoked. The thread terminates if the run method terminates. To prevent a thread from terminating, the run method must not end. Run methods often have an endless loop to prevent thread termination. So let us consider an example. Here, there are two threads, thread 1 and thread 2. One thread starts another by calling its start method. If there are n number of threads, which one must be executed first? It depends on thread priorities and scheduling. Every thread is assigned a priority. The higher is the number, the higher is the priority. The priority can be set with the help of set priority method. The approach used to determine which thread should be executed at a given time is referred to as scheduling. It is performed by Java runtime system. It schedules threads based on their priority. The higher priority thread is in runnable state is run at a given instant. The highest priority thread continues to run until it reaches the dead state or enters the not runnable state or has its priority lowered or when a higher priority thread becomes runnable. So, for a thread to go into a runnable state, it depends on a thread priority. The scheduler schedules according to the thread priorities and the threads are executed according to the schedule.